And now one question that people often ask is that how soon are we going to see quantum computers? And I think that 20 years ago, it really seems to be a pie in the sky, and I think there were hardly anybody who would look at quantum computing as something that would be realized in one's lifetime. But I would say that the last 20 years, physicists have made great progress, and so quantum computer may come sooner than you think. Yeah, just today we walked in the festival walk, and we saw that people lining up outside the Apple store, kind of waiting for the Apple technology. One day we are going to wait outside the quantum computer store. I think that would be quite inspirational. I hope we'll see the day. And now, so I would say that so quantum computing looks pretty good at implementation level. And one good sign is that when you look at the many different governments, or the major, there are many places where people put in lots of money, essentially at the order of magnitude, hundreds of millions of dollars at a time, to establish quantum centers where the goal is to explore quantum technology and including the quantum information processing technology. Let me just show you some examples. In the United States, perhaps the largest such lab is at the Maryland and NIST. And there's a joint quantum center, and with about 30 professors, and including Nobel laureate W.D. Phillips, and supported by all the big agencies. At Harvard, MIT, there's a center for ultra-cold atoms, and 15 professors, including the Nobel laureate W. Ketterles. And at Caltech, Microsoft, there are 17 professors, including field medalist Michael Friedman, and in Canada, the Perimeter Institute, Waterloo. It's started a few years ago with 100 million US dollars, and they have just built another new wing of the superconducting quantum computing building. In Singapore, National University of Singapore, the government support a center for quantum technology, and again, very strong funding. And there are centers in Germany and Europe and Japan, and even in China.